Imagine staring at a screen as a major economic report drops. The chart instantly erupts with a massive green candle. You click buy, trying to catch the wave. But a fraction of a second later, the price reverses. It violently crashes through your entry point, blasts past your stop loss, and drains a chunk of your account balance before you can even react. In these opening seconds, you are competing against high-frequency algorithms that process data in microseconds. Your broker's spread blows out during this chaos, guaranteeing terrible fill prices and severe slippage. Treating high-impact news like a speed contest is a fast track to liquidation. Surviving these volatile windows requires anticipating the battlefield with a risk map rather than relying on fast reflexes. That risk map is the Forex Factory calendar. Professionals use this as a strategic dashboard to locate the exact moments extreme volatility will hit the market. To make it useful, you have to clear the noise. In the interface, you filter out all the low-impact yellow and medium-impact orange folders. You only want to see the critical data points, the red folders. These red folders represent major structural actions in the global economy. We're talking about consumer price index inflation reports, monthly non-farm payroll numbers, and interest rate decisions from central banks. Before the clock hits the release time for one of these events, your goal is completely disconnected from the actual economic data. You are not trying to predict the specific number that will print on the headline. Instead, you are looking at your charts to define the technical boundaries. You identify where the major support and resistance zones rest, and you locate obvious pools of liquidity, the recent highs and lows that algos will naturally target. A professional trader secures their edge by knowing exactly where these structural battle lines are drawn long before the institutional algorithms are switched on to react to the news. The clock strikes the designated hour. The data drops. The chart instantly fractures into chaos. The market prices in a specific expectation well before the release. This makes the discrepancy the primary driver of price action. How much the actual number deviates from the forecasted consensus. The wider that gap between expectation and reality, the more explosive the price action. If a U.S. employment report reveals that drastically more jobs were added than the consensus expected, the shock of that positive surprise triggers an aggressive rally in the U.S. dollar. The true catalyst for extreme volatility is the sudden shattering and violent correction of institutional expectations. It is common to see a currency crash within seconds of a highly positive red folder report being released. This usually follows a dynamic known as buy the rumor, sell the fact. In the weeks leading up to an expected economic outcome, banks and hedge funds slowly build up their positions. When the expected headline finally drops, a rush of retail traders blindly hit the buy button. Smart money uses that exact surge of incoming retail volume as the liquidity they need to offload their large positions, secure their profits, and drive the price straight down. This is why you never execute a trade during that initial news spike. Clicking a button in the middle of that chaos means you are willingly walking into a preset institutional liquidity trap. To actually trade this data safely, you sit on your hands. You wait at least 15 minutes after the release for the initial whipsaws to play out and for broker spreads to return to normal. The headline number is now irrelevant. The chart's structural reaction to that number is the only piece of information you base your decisions on. This chart shows exactly what to look for. You wait for a confirmed change of character or a definitive break of structure. Once proven, you patiently wait for the price to pull back to a fair value gap before entering. Because the market is still processing turbulence, you have to adjust your risk. You cut your standard position size in half, which allows you to widen your stop loss safely beyond the reach of lingering volatility. By forcing the market to decisively reveal its intended direction before you risk capital, you move your strategy away from gambling and into calculated, high-probability execution. But a disciplined strategy falls apart if you deploy it in a flawed environment. Executing a post-news trade on a sluggish platform with ballooning spreads will still ruin a perfect technical setup. This methodology requires infrastructure like FXNX. Their NX Pro accounts provide zero-pip raw spreads and ultra-fast execution, giving you the exact technical precision needed to handle post-news trading volume. You can even deploy FXNX AI agents to monitor your pairs for these specific post-red folder structure shifts, alerting you the moment the technical setup aligns. The economic calendar tells you when institutional energy is going to hit the market. The chart structure dictates how you engage with it. Stop trading the initial spike and start strategizing the aftermath.